people. Differently abled people means some of the people cannot see, some of the people cannot hear. See, some of the people cannot see, right? So they wanted to reach one place to another place, right? So they cannot see. So for that, what they will use? They will use long white stick. Okay, if they want to walk, they will use long white stick, and using that stick they will count the steps and they will walk. So it will be very easy for them to walk, and for that they will use white stick. And also they are able to read. They are able to read. How it is possible? They cannot see, right? Yes, but they can able to read in a special language that is called Braille language. So the who cannot see, that people can able to read by using Braille language. So they will use their fingers. They will use their fingers, and also they can able to read. Understood, children? See, and some of the people we can see they cannot hear. They cannot hear. What they will use? They will use machine to hear the sound. Okay, who cannot hear? The people will use machine to hear the sound. So we should respect them. Okay, always we should treat differently able people as equal. Understood? See, in our society we see many differently abled people. Some of the people cannot see, some of the people cannot hear. So for them what we should do? We should always treat differently able people as a equal. Okay, see, now our eyes are working properly. We can see colorful things, and also we can do anything. See, if you wanted to buy something, directly we'll go and buy it and we'll eat, right? But who cannot see people, they cannot do all these things. So such for that time what we should do? We should help them to, if they want to cross the road, in that time if we saw them, we should help them to cross the road. So equally we should treat them as a equally. Understood, children? Okay, see, look at this picture. She cannot see. See, the one lady is helping her to cross the road, and see, this girl is cannot hear, right? So for that what she is using? She is using a machine to hear the sound. Understood, children? And and we have many parts in our body, right? We have different parts in our body, so we should keep them clean, right? We should keep them clean. Because it is very important for us. If one part is not working, we cannot do anything. See, for writing we are using our hands. See, anything is happened to our hand, we can able to write? No, it is not at all possible to write. So for that what we should do? We should protect our body parts, right? So protect our body parts and keeping them clean and healthy. What we should do? We should follow some certain rules. Understood? See, if you want to if you want to compete any running race or something, is anything is happened to our leg, it's possible to compete? No, it's not at all possible, right? So we should keep our body parts clean and healthy. We should protect. So which are the rules we should follow? To keep them clean, what we should do? Every day we should take a bath. Okay, every day we should take bath and we should brush. We should do brush twice a day. We should brush twice a day, and it is very important we should eat only the healthy food. Understood? We should eat only the healthy food. If we eat junk foods or street food, what will happen? We may fall sick. So that is the reason we should not eat junk food or street food. Always we should eat healthy food. And also we should play, or we should do exercise every day. Okay, exercise is a very good for our body parts. Okay, and for that every day we should do exercise. Understood, children? So our parts is, we have many parts in our body. We should protect our body parts, and also we should keep them clean and healthy. For that we should follow some certain rules. Which are the rules we should follow? Every day we should take a bath, and every day we should brush, and twice a day, and we should eat only the healthy food, and we should wash our hands every time. If you wanted to eat anything, for that time what we should do? We should wash our hands before eating, and after eating we should wash our hands using a soap. Okay, and next we should do everyday exercise. Okay, if you follow these kinds of rules, we can be clean and healthy. I hope all of you understood the concept, me and my body. Thank you, children.